and here is going to discuss about another type of separating the component of mixture, which is separation of salt and ammonium chloride. Suppose you have take the mixture of salt and ammonium chloride, or take ammonium chloride which have some impurities. How to which process you separate the ammonium chloride from the mixture? Suppose you have mixture or ammonium chloride or another impurities which contain ammonium chloride. Very simple process. You know that ammonium chloride is sublime in nature. Sublime means that after heating, the solid get directly converted into the gas without reaching into the liquid. In this way, we can separate in very simple way, and this way through which we obtain the ammonium chloride from the mixture we called as sublimation or separation of salt and ammonium chloride with the help of sublimation. Let's start the process, how it happened and what operators are involved in this phenomena or this component or this separating method. First we take the one wire gauge and stand. On the wire gauge is put on the top of the stand. On the stand, after the putting of wire gauge, on the wire gauge we have take the china dish, and inside the china dish we put the mixture, and which mixture is salt and ammonium chloride, and then the china dish is covered from inverted funnel, and funnel is blocked by cotton plug, and this whole apparatus is heated by the burner. Beneath the stand we supply the heat of burner, and after start heating the mixture, some vapor or start vapor to aggregate on the neck of here is this I am indicating here, and this some vapor are evaporated after heating. Some vapor are evaporated, like I am indicating here. Some vapor are evaporated from this mixture, and this mixture contains mixture of ammonium chloride and salt. This is a two component mixture, and here after heating we find the vapor of ammonium chloride. After some time this vapor get solidified, and this on the neck of inverted funnel. Here is this neck area, and this neck region of the inverted funnel, the solidified ammonium chloride has been found, like some aggregation, some solid-like substance are stick here on the neck of inverted funnel, and inverted funnel is blocked by cotton. So after heating the mixture of salt and ammonium chloride, the ammonium chloride start evaporated in the form of vapor, and after some time the vapor get stick in form of solidified ammonium chloride. After heating the maximum amount of solidified ammonium chloride are aggregate on the neck of inverted funnel. We obtain our ammonium chloride that we want. In this way, we separate the impurities or mixture which involve in the ammonium chloride. We have used this way, and this way is sublimation, which means anything that after heating get converted into the gas from solid and without reaching into the liquid state of matter. In this way we separate the different things which are sublime in nature, and sublime in nature are naphthalene ball, camphor, ammonium chloride. These are the sublime in nature, and we separate in easy way with the help of sublimation process, and sublimation is known as the solid directly change into the gaseous phase of matter without reaching into the liquid. So I repeat again, first we take the one china dish and take our mixture that contain ammonium chloride and other impurities or salt, and put on the wire gauge, and wire gauge put on the stand, and this all apparatus is heated by with the help of burner, and this the China dish is covered from inverted funnel, and inverted funnel is blocked by bottom plug. After heating, some vapor are start raising into the inverted funnel, and after some time on the neck of inverted funnel, some solidified metals are aggregate here, and this metal is ammonium chloride, and I am right here solidified ammonium chloride. After some time, we have got the maximum amount of solidified ammonium chloride are aggregate on the neck region of inverted funnel. Hence, we found our ammonium chloride in the process of sublimation. In this way, we separate the impurities or salt from the ammonium chloride.